Let's break down two stylishly confusing words today. Flair Flair and Flare Flair. They sound alike but mean different things. Flair Flair means a natural talent or stylish ability. She has a flair for fashion, always dressing elegantly. It's about skill or a unique touch. Whereas Flair, on the other hand, refers to a sudden burst, either of light or intensity. The signal flare lit up the night sky. It can also mean something widening out. The jeans have a flare at the bottom. Now, you will never mix them up. Flair is for talent and Flare is for burst or expansion. Subscribe for more learning.